ocean is full of mystery, full of wonder, teeming with aquatic life uniquely adapted to thrive in dynamic waters. These incredible adaptations, honed by evolution over millennia, allow life to flourish. Through vast migrations and intricate navigation, these creatures traverse the global seascape, and their world is changing as icy realms melt and warm waters rise. However, people across the world are coming together to face the challenges of climate change. Our actions, our choices, will determine the future of aquatic life on this planet. And together, we will ensure that life thrives in the waters of our world. Life, like the dynamic Pacific white-sided dolphins.
Their backsides are dark gray, while their underbellies are bright white. That means that when viewed from below, that bright buff underbelly is going to blend in with buff, while when viewed from above, that dark gray backside is going to blend in with the deeper depths of the water below. Counter-shading helps dolphins evade predators.
Whoa. Whoa.
As we watch dolphins, it's important to remember that their agility and athletic behavior isn't just for show. It's speeds of 25 miles per hour. These speeds help them to catch prey. Oral flippers aid in steering and movement. The peduncle, starting from behind the dorsal fin and fanning out to those two, peduncle is a huge muscle responsible for powerful thrusts like those and generating flow. Thank you so much for joining and have a great rest of your day exploring Aquarium. Bye!
And they say bye-bye.